Hey, thanks for clicking. I want to show you this really cool pack of fidgets that I got my daughter. It came with all of these fidgets. Oh my gosh, she is so excited. Look at all these. So as an adult, I don't really play with fidgets much, but these are kind of cool if I'm going to be honest. Oh, I really like these. So you pop the little bubbles in. My daughter is obsessed with fidgets, looks for them everywhere we go. They do help to keep her little hands busy and entertained. Oh my gosh, that's just so cool. Little marble inside these, so you can just sit and kind of move it around. Oh, this one's a spinner. Very cool. Make all kinds of designs. Wow, these are literally just little squishy things, but so cute. Like I said, my daughter really loves this. Like a cool straw. See these little strings. So if you like to keep your hands busy, or you've got a little one that you want to keep their hands busy, this is a cool toy. Probably won't be the only set of fidgets that I buy, considering how obsessed my daughter is with these. But yeah, this is a 10 out of 10 for me. Anyways, here's all the fidgets. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks. Bye.